Why is your Nintendo Switch unresponsive after a system update? Imagine powering on your Nintendo Switch after a recent system update and finding that nothing happens. The screen remains blank, buttons do not respond, and the device seems frozen. This situation can be frustrating, but understanding the underlying causes can help you resolve the issue efficiently. When a system update is installed, it modifies the device's software to improve performance, add new features, or fix existing bugs. Sometimes, these updates can lead to temporary unresponsiveness due to compatibility issues or incomplete installation processes. One common reason is that the update process was interrupted, perhaps because the device lost power during the update or the internet connection was unstable. Interruptions can cause the system software to become corrupted, leading to unresponsiveness or failure to boot properly. Another factor involves the system's cache and temporary files. During an update, these files are modified or replaced. If the update encounters errors or conflicts with existing data, it can result in the device freezing or not responding. Additionally, hardware-related issues such as faulty internal storage or memory modules can interfere with the update process, especially if the hardware is already showing signs of wear or damage. In some cases, the update might have introduced a bug or compatibility problem with certain hardware components or software configurations. For example, if the device's firmware is incompatible with the current version of the system software, it can cause the device to become unresponsive. This is more likely if the device was modified or if unofficial software was installed previously. To resolve this issue, performing a forced restart can sometimes help. This involves holding down the power button for at least 15 seconds until the device powers off, then turning it back on. If this does not work, entering the recovery mode to perform a system reset or update can be necessary. Restoring the device to factory settings may resolve software conflicts but should be considered a last resort, as it can erase saved data. In some cases, connecting the Nintendo Switch to a computer and using specialized software to reinstall the firmware may be required. If hardware issues are suspected, professional repair services might be necessary to diagnose and fix internal components. Understanding these factors can help you troubleshoot why your Nintendo Switch becomes unresponsive after a system update. Patience and careful steps can often restore functionality without the need for extensive repairs.